that Governor Zoku is learned. I know if you know they learned. The way he speaks, I was like, wow, this man is learned. I know if you know that Kiborebo.
Ohaneze ndeba ekenekwa muno. Ekene muno. So bikono, ask them now, whoever the ghosts want to destroy, you first of all make them then yeah. So when we video Jpac se kai bulo. One video se ka bloggers bulo. Na bloggers here making a bulo the video and I say na the end of the video.
Tomorrow every blogger carry the news because all the reminder no somebody like a boy son be here kuliya gata o wali na ga no e aga de petition. Obuno onye ozo kwuru this same na aga de petition.
We have a life. Oh, I get a run program. I show I get a so many. I book on the man people are back on here. You can't just say give me a gap or say so. Just man announce so I get play live program. I get play live video. Maybe a on so person a bona plan and they could be a rape mother. We have just he gave announce people are back on their gate thing.
I'm on the next go the video also ka bloggers bully. Now blogger na kai get kind a bit about history. You man when you now forward. You don't people are too fast to forget. You have to retrace back and check. Is there any way this thing may go before in the past? So I decided to take a little walk behind. Can't remind the ending or something because voice note even phone and fly, you know. Voice note beginning. Mgbe Ebonyi son ha no na group we megene say na ha megene na ha cho ime here trend na ka Facebook we kwa ho everybody were saying their opinion including Jpac said his own opinion because unu ka ya anu ya na video Ebonyi son post so Ebonyi son be ga puta mgbe na eti no Jpac publish video no Jpac na no nwere onye ozo emere ati na that group no so Jpac the team be se boku mgba Jpac video ro gba wa kitikiti kata we megene we ko is we defend you somewhere. But Ebonyi son king hammering no Jpac made that thing. But it's so obvious and it's so bad now. After saying no Jpac made the thing, you later came back. Maybe I say no again, no man halfway. But able to put the voice no brought Jpac because now Jpac has been baby now total like this. But he forgot that now there was once a time also no Jpac tell ya. And now voice note to if you go no voice no Jpac put that voice note. Nene no mgbe forward wele ya Ogechi Okeke njaka Ogechi jiwe eme gini we jiwe nye Jpac reply nke ahụ obu akpagali because o mere nke ya ma gini cut and join kwunu fozi ebe dị okwu si wee bido agwa m unu agwa for internet you may forget but the internet doesn't forget. At the end of the video
now me play them and respond. Program I show I get card so we got no many people are back on here. You can't just say give me a guy boss so just man around so me I get play live program I get play live video maybe on so person you want to plan and they could be a matter we had just you get man out on that kid lose a play. This idiot to send the voice note on his son I respond to both send the voice notes. This was my response because we spoke on 3 ways. Marcia, Jpac, here we have just Russia. We need to tell people somebody so people will gather. So people will come and listen. Thank God that I played this thing before him. Let me tell you, Jpac, you don't have anything against me. That's why it's like I'm gonna give you everlasting.
Pays attention. Because now, in high no kita tracking back memory lane. Kai malebe milisi eba na opi ụgbọgụrụ. Achọrọ inwe ebe mmiri si wee baa na opi ụgbọgụrụ. So now the thing wee kwugide mgbe akwugide Akuzanu ji ebe a release a voice note of order Jpac na-aba
Jpac isi adọrọ gị mma eziokwu m and ama m na ewu ụdị mmadụ a akwụghị na ha amị ya. You can imagine na mụ na gị na-anọ gụrụ anụ n'ofu efere before ịgawa ibuko se gara ọhụrụ na m ọsịmkpọ ya ebe Ibiza ka mụ na gị nọchara ịnọkwa outside mgbe akpọrọ gị kpokpo gị VIP ka ezigbo ya na-akpa ebe a mụ na gị nọ last mgbe kpokpo gị VIP anyị taa ṅụọ nkwụ ụgwọ ụta ka mụ na gị si eri na-aṅụ back to back Jpac edinukọ nke ji eme mmadụ ihe ọjọọ ka ezi ga-ezizi afụzi ọjọọ na-achọ ime mụ na-achọ ime my lord my spiritual director Jpac ekele m ọsị na grup a asị na grup ewee gbacha voice a ewee gesie ya ewee were na grup same grup ị nọ n'ime ya ihe nwere ime ịgbara voice record na-asị m mụ bịa kle ịtọ gị openly na ụgwọ agbaghara m ya nwanne id involved na this nonsense. And let me tell you one thing, ebe ọ nwere ka afụ voice a agaghị adị involved ya echekwa that useless rat si na ebonso na-eribe nri. Look at that idiot. Adị m happy wụ na ọkpọla Mozambique jụ ajụjụ mmanụ no heavyweight ka m wụ. Ana m ajụ akpọtala m ebonso anywhere. Have I mentioned his name anywhere before? Have I made a post and tag him before? That boy have a many questions to answer. This one is a small one among the questions answer. Ya just jụọ ajụjụ ndị m kpọrọ Abuja. Ya just jụọ the level of evidence m na-eji abịa. Evidence ya ezube. Agbara m ya na onye obodo nkịtị maka na evidence ya ezube. Adị nke ha no amount of biko ka m meji hapụ ha because evidence ha ga-eduba ha n'ime prison straight. Because of iwetego Facebook kwawo Jpac imechi ọnụ. Just start me see ijikwub na-akpara ego. Ijikwub na-enweta ego, that's what it means. Ọgụ ka Chizana na-agbara m ihe a na ọkụ ka ngwu na nwere m Okechi. Ọkwụrụ mmadụ ebuka obido efe Okechi. That idiot na-acha ka banana mebiri emebi. Snow boy son. That riffraff na-erughị nde na-abịa asara m ekele m ụlọ na abroad wu ndị Igbo anyị. Ọkpọkpọla Mozambique jụọ ese akọrị onye mbụ. Ọkwa ya nwa mma agba ya ibi ka ebe a gbara pimple o wee mana dikiri ya ga jụọ ese maka mụ right from mgbe m pere mpe. Nwanne nchọrọ ime gị ihe ndị ime gị taa ikugbuo m ma ala abịa echi ikugbuo m ga-alakwa bịa ọzọ m ga-abịakọta ntị ime gị ya m chọrọ ime gị. I am only a Christian, I'm not a born again Christian. Underline this word. I am only a Christian who believe in Christ. But a child give me a child. One each eye for eye, na here.
Nah, ba. So which means now all these things Aneku na Hana na Akuzayo Onego was actually true because now you get the voice note. Akuzayo made it clear that na upon a monagini liko na adolokano no fuefele. If you know about na my father na yemi such a humiliating act. So that we say you did not come out and say it. So Akuzan became, that was when the problem Akuzan started looking JI with Anyana when we go low find an New like this. Before you buy an when you are so one night. And back Akuzan withdraw zero we are back from Jpac. Came and go. Yeah, and then at the voice note because the young man was so furious. Nah, why this kind of thing here, man? Jpac a banketing. Because some bad Jpac be an aquarian desire now and Ebony son na Jpac video deve sebokumba. But at the end of the day, it's so bad na hamecha megene deve mercy na hana settle. Knowing fully we not go accuse of this young man of posting that voice note before. To show you now, I don't know them Ogechi Okeke reply that voice note to show that na indeed no Jpac megene but in the beginning he was denying. He was denying nobody forward with that voice note. So one of bros also on the group. So he forwarded that voice note. Call we again. Call we me zoto oto. Na kande Zion. Na anuya. So kunu na when you post that voice note, malo na ne this is where it all started. So when they hear they can cut and journey there because now even him but your son knows fully well no Jpac releasing that voice note. So once it comes to dragging back, so uno na aga forward, take a step backward, uno no can remain Jesus video. So ikuchakwa mko ham no. Then eweziana gawaziana. God no. You wouldn't just believe in. But nevertheless, I keep saying it. Whomever the gods want to make first of all, if you don't make it, you never gonna brain. I
was even thinking that Governor Zoku is learned. I know if you know they're learned. The way he speaks, I was like, wow, this man is learned. I know if you know like Tiborebo. You understand me? So the Akozano go see him. Somebody chatted me. See my boy son, he gave a voice note of Akozano when go like me to play for Facebook. Saying go give me 200,000. Say him and Akozano do business, this and that. As he send me that voice note, say my play him, make him pay me money. I rush, cut that voice note, go send the Jpac. Take Jpac, say make him warn my brother with the Akozano, make him know the kind of people where two of them they do business. That voice note, I didn't mean I play that voice note, he go give me views. He go trend. But I rushed to meet Jpac. All the conversation are out there. Say, please tell my brother, he knows I don't get his number. Tell him, be careful, they can't people when they follow. So for Jpac to come down, come carry my voice note, what we do for group, we all of us are chilling happy. Bring them, come send them for them. Say, about his son, they talk bad about Zion. About his son, they talk bad thing about Zion. May they call arrest me, may they sue me. Jpac, he will explain tire. Which after we talk, he remained there. Even Jpac talking own. So now because padlock man they trained, they rush, go collect my own, make it be say, yes, so now so then they talk about our papa for back. Now so now they go do make it say more our papa for back. See the way they do our papa for back. So our group where they joke, after we joke, it will remain there. Our privacy they there. So Jpac can come aside for his own personal interest. That's why Jpac have not posted the video. Understand me? My brother Akwa, how will I know that if I in a cooler group where others they talk their own? Others they talk their own, they play. You understand me? They talk their own, saying I'm a single where they go carry. Even when Jpac talk something bad about Baka, I suppose go carry Jpac voice note today. Go they play. Say Jpac now what you talk that day be that about Mbaka for this group. But you not consign me.
You know how many times after all the Akozano, that was the only the bad ones can play and say I'm able to play. Never be fair to how many times you look after all the words here and say I'm able to play. To the extent that now, but I remember now the car in for batch of the Igbo and the meeting to Igbo, then you chat the meeting, you know about that I'm able to be a good friend. One, I am not. Even I handle what you sit and I don't even want to talk. Number one, I am not. My hand is not in anything about the son. Two, I can't imagine anything about the voice note. The voice note was leaked and posted by a member of the anonymous group, not me. Even though I could have a para member, and I'm not future here, I'm out of Igbo Gist, I'm my high. You understand, but I got a bow every day group. So even when they ask me to post, say another post. This is I can't post. Where's another blogger post? You are someone or because I'm not the group. Can not defend Zion. I'm no joker. I'm no just Zion. 24. I can't leave you anymore. People join. Ogechi plan or go allegation to evangelist Ebukobi. Allegation. Ogechi Njaka plan or Kobo. That is blackmail. That was 2023. Mbona agba onye obodo war. Before we did onye obodo war, ko ji wee chọọ ka o blackmail o Ebukobi. Mbona achọ ka o penetrate ye ka enye ego. Obodo so akwa ka gara atanish image. I want to let the Zion people know how wicked and bad you are. I want to let the whole world know how wicked and bad Ogechi Njaka is. This was 2023. Mbo choroka obo Ebukobi allegation. If I bu on the okoluko ndi ya join na live video. we be buy voice here all the call on that day buy the voice before they delete him with voice at my second WhatsApp ka I join in a live video ka ede kpọ mmadụ kwuo na no edeto adinere rape mmadụ. Let me play it again. Listen in case if you are joining now.
We have my life. Oh, I get a year on program. I show I get a card. So, madam, many. I book on the man of people are back or down on here. You can't just say, give me a gap or say so. Just man announce. So, I get play live program. I get play live video. Maybe a on so person. A bona plan and they could be a rape mother. We had a just he came announce. People are back or they get the thing.
Adame ekwu nke ma allegedly. Adame ekwu nke ma efuru gebe mmego gbara Ogechi saga. Adame ekwu allegedly. Nga bana deeper call Ogechi and all his cohorts, all her fans. Ndị niile ha na na-eme plan. Mụ abụ Jpac. Mma bana call unu niile na-aza starting from last year. Manke akuzayo naza call nunu naza from now onward maguru onye bu Jpac okwu anya onu mma bana call unu niile every chat and call unu neme mmebuputezi mmebara call unu niile bring here the whole call out.